If a witness lies and the police believe it and you're arrested, do you lose the case and go to jail? Well, you need a good lawyer. The first thing is, if a witness lies and the police are taking that report and that investigation and it seems to make sense at the time, likely that's enough if it creates enough probable cause that you committed a crime to arrest you. So what happens when you know, well, that's blatantly a lie? Do you tell the police officer or do you let the lawyer fight it out later? Well, that's a really interesting question. It depends on how important it is, or really the bottom line is, they're going to arrest you anyway. Does it make sense to make any type of statement or just prove it later? If they're going to arrest you anyway, my suggestion is always shut your mouth, tell them you want a lawyer, and that's it. That way you have time to prepare the defense, to go through the timelines, to go through the physical evidence, any surveillance footage, their motive perhaps to lie, and let the attorney, your attorney, go through with the district attorney and say, look, this is obviously a lie. Your witness has fabricated statements. But if the police officers sort of think that, well, I'm not really sure what happened, it does make sense to tell them a very limited amount of information that is the truth of a timeline or what actually happened and contradict the claims of the original witness. And if it's enough and your statement makes a lot of sense and it's enough information that it's clear that one of you is lying, the officer is going to make a determination at that point whether you're the one that gets arrested or whether they go back and speak to the original witness and find out what was true. So, again, that's a fine line. Make sure you don't say too much. Make sure you always say, I want my lawyer at the end of it, and that's the only statement you're going to make. And if you're going to get arrested anyway, I wouldn't make any statements at all. So if you guys have questions about this, or you're involved in a case very similar to this, or you think that someone's lied and that's why you're in jail, give us a call at the Bradley Law Firm.